In a world where digital connection is key, QR codes have become an essential tool. Today we are comparing two giants in the field, Stack and Overcode. According to Statista website, in 2022, approximately 89 million smartphone users in the West scan QR codes in their mobile devices. More and more people in the West are using QR codes. By 2025, over 100 million people will be using them. A survey found that almost half of the West shoppers have used the QR code to get a deal. Stack is a highly rated QR code generator, offers a range of features. With Stack, you can create static QR codes for various use cases and premium dynamic QR codes that are editable and trackable. Their QR codes are customizable, allowing you to add your company and design, the QR code color, shape, and background. Stack also offers advanced features such as tracking, security, analytics, and more to boost your business campaigns. On the other hand, we have Overcode. Overcode allows you to create dynamic QR codes that are trackable and editable. You can easily add your logo and brand colors to the QR codes generated with Overcode. If you need to know more on dynamic QR code, check the link in the description box since I have recently released a video about this topic. Overcode also offers QR code tracking and analytics, helping you to measure the success of your marketing campaigns. One unique feature of Overcode is the ability to use your own redirect link so people see your domain instead of theirs. As to tracking features of both Overcode and Stack, Overcode allows you to create trackable QR codes, and this means you can see how often your QR codes are being scanned. It provides QR code tracking and analytics, helping you measure the success of your marketing campaigns. You can see which campaigns are performing best, what devices people are using, and where people are scanning from. And this data can help you make more informed decisions about future marketing campaigns. Stack also allows you to create trackable and editable QR codes. With Stack in-house analytics feature, you can track various metrics like the number of scans, the location of scanning, device type, date and time, and more. When creating a new QR code, you can turn on GPS location under Advanced Analytics, and this allows you to view and get the exact geolocation and address of the scanning device that was used to scan the dynamic QR codes. Stack helps you measure the effectiveness of offline campaigns. You can track user behavior by location, time, or device. Both Overcode and Stack provide robust tracking features that can help you optimize your marketing campaigns and understand your audience better. In conclusion, Stack QR codes offer more types of dynamic QR codes than Overcode, including website, link page, geolocation, and restaurant menu QR codes. Overcode, on the other hand, offers link, PDF, vCard, app, and SMS. Overall, if you are looking for a QR code generator that offers more types of dynamic QR codes, Stack QR codes is a better choice. However, if you are looking for a QR code generator that offers a link, PDF, vCard, app, and SMS QR codes, Overcode is a better choice. Thanks for watching. My name is Natalie. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe for more comparisons like this. I will see you in the next video.